As you know, turning leads into sales is complicated, and events are very complex to manage as an organizer. Leads are difficult to capture and organize. Follow-ups are cumbersome and sales cycles are long. Return on investment on your efforts is hard to measure, until now. MLEADS automates the hunt for customers, spend less time doing paperwork and more time prospecting. MLEADS is guaranteed to increase revenue, shorten sales cycles, and streamline processes. MLEADS offers quick lead capture and organizing leads information based on events or meetings using scanned business card, print badge, QR code, speak lead, quick record, quick note, bump leads on instant one-click lead research. LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Google, websites, etc. Channels share a personalized QR code business card and show video profiles of your products or services. Lead follow-ups using predefined email message templates to all your leads in single personalized email campaign. Call, text message, set up meeting and task, track expenses, etc. ROI and productivity, visibility across business development team, opportunity pipeline, and statistical reports. Import and export data from any source system to any destination system. MLEADS is available for download on the Apple, Google, and Amazon App Store. Visit our website at MyLeadsSite.com to learn more.